Ladies and gentlemen, 3-minute rounds for the WBO Intercontinental Lightweight Championship.
Silent prayer for AMIR KHAN, the pride of Bolton, who's won all 14 inside schedule.
Round one.
Just how dangerous is Prescott? Khan, quick, throws great combinations, and he says he's going to have his gloves up better this time. But it's Prescott who lands with a nice jab early on. Nice right hand again, and the fast left too from AMIR KHAN, who's got this new trainer holding him, and he's hurt by a shot, and he's another huge left, and down goes AMIR KHAN again. Oh, he's all over the place. Oh, he's going to have to be stopped, surely. He can hardly stand. What drama here in the opening round.
And the fight should be
Scott's got
over.
him going here.
The fight should be over.
Oh, he's going to have to be stopped. He's flattened in the corner. Oh, these are desperate moments for AMIR KHAN. There can be no way back this time, surely. He's trying so bravely to get up, but he's counted out, and it's one of the biggest stunners in British boxing history of the modern era. BREIDIS Prescott has knocked down AMIR KHAN sensationally.